Club beats are back, but not like you remember. Back in the early 2010s, DJ Mustard had the whole scene on lock with that West Coast bounce. Now, Nettspend is leading that wave with a new underground take on this sound. Tracks like Just a Teen and her friends gave me the inspiration for making this video. Even artists like Nettspend are rapping over club-inspired beats. There's 3 essentials to making underground club beats: bouncy twerk drums, catchy bell melodies, and that heavy club bass. Today, I'll show you how to make beats like that from scratch in FL. Let's get into it. Alright fellas, so in the last video I think I did something around like 90 BPM, so I made the beat in halftime, but today I'm gonna do it in 200 BPM, so it's basically gonna be double time. Let's do like 203. First thing, I'm gonna go into my new kit, which is mayze Max Plus. It should be out next week. So we're gonna start with this bass here, and I'm just gonna do the quick envelope. And for our scale, we're in C minor. Let's start building our bass line. So for our bass progression, we're gonna start on the 1 right here, which since we're in C minor is C. So this is the 1 right here. And now we're gonna count 5 notes within the scale up. So this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5, okay? So we're gonna get rid of these, and now this is the 5 here. We're gonna add a 6. So this is the 6 here. So it's a 1, 5, 6 progression. And the reason why is because it's the 5th note in the scale. This is the 6th note in the scale. This is the 1st note in the scale. So just keep that in mind. This is called scale degrees. If you guys made new jazz, you guys know the 6-5-1 chord progression is super common. And the reason why it's called the 6-5-1 is because this is the 6th note in the scale. This is the 5th note in the scale, and this is the 1st note in the scale. As long as you guys know what scale you're in, you guys can use scale degrees, which is like assigning a number to the note. If you guys just search common chord progressions on Google, I'll toss them up on the screen right now. You guys will find the numbers for the notes, and then you can basically use those numbers infinitely, and it will make like a good chord progression. Anyway, this is what it sounds like. So we got a little variation going for the second part here. We got that bass line down. Let's get a clap in here. We're at a little club twerk kind of snare at the end of our 4, and then let's add our clap to the mixer, and then we're gonna add some reverb to it. Just give it that kind of like mustard club bounce to it. Sounds like this now. Just put it down. It's a bit too much. Okay, before I start working on more of the drums, let's go into Xenology and let's start building some of the melody. Shawty at the club in the back end. Shawty at the back of the club eating Taki. Ooh, shawty at the back of the club eating Takis. Okay, sweet. Let's get this little bell and let's make a little, just a very simple bell melody with it. Let's make it really repetitive. Now let's get a little lead going. Shout out Chef for this lead idea. We worked on a similar beat a few days ago. He really cooked with this lead, and I really like it, so let's use it on this beat too. Try a different sound. Let's get another lead. I'm gonna try adding one more lead. Let me mute the other lead and just vibe with this. Damn, come on, man. Let's get a little pad, just a little background pad, you know, add a little movement to it to fill it out. Need something soft, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we don't have to do anything too crazy. We just kind of follow our bass notes with the pad. Let's hit Control L to extend all the notes. Got a different pad. Okay. Add it to the mixer. Let's get a little shaper box movement action going. Yeah, we got a little movement action. Let's hear it all together. Add some more drums. Let's get like a hi-hat and kind of fill everything else out. We should do this kind of hi-hat right here. See a little counter snare. Now we gotta fill it out, add a little vocal chants. So I'm gonna go into my Untitled kit, which has a bunch of these super fire vocal chants.
Clear. Evil
House music.
So hard. Let's get this little OG one in here. And then I'm gonna get another vocal chant from Music Plus.
damn. Damn. Damn.
Let's get the damn and then the mustard. And we do something like this. icon. And I want to add a little vocal, like a little vocal chop, kind of like Just a Teen, where it's like, ew, 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 eh. You know what I'm saying? Kind of something like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna go to my Music Plus kit and go to phrases, and there should be some vocal phrases we can take from here and then chop up. Maybe we can chop something out of that. I don't know. This is gonna be a tricky one. So we gotta pitch it down one. We can get it to work. I'm gonna show you guys some sauce for when you guys are working with samples and you want to chop them up. So we're gonna go to this little icon right here. You see this little kind of wave icon. We're gonna click on that and then go to chop, time based, and then let's chop it by quarter beats. No, that's too much. Let's go back again. Go to chop, time based, and let's chop it by half beats. Oh my geez, bro. Go to chop, go to time based, and let's chop it by beat. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Now we can do some sort of like, you know what I mean? That ayo, ayo. And let's just make sure we got it by cut generics. That way it doesn't like bleed. Not bleed, so it doesn't clip when it like fades out. First, we gotta move it to our chorus part right here. Fellas, that's a wrap. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys are looking to upgrade your sounds, make sure you go check out my kit store. Links down below. Music Plus is on sale. Also, my new kit, Max Plus, is coming out within the next 2 weeks. So if you guys want to get it early, hit the link down below. Go to our kit store, go get a free kit, and you guys will get added to the mail list. And yeah, you guys will get a notification. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.